This 2009 Mazda 3 4Doctor SDN1 Sport is offered to you for sale by Capital Kia. Drive off the lot with complete peace of mind, knowing that this Mazda 3 4Doctor SDN1 Sport is covered by the Carfax buyback guarantee. At Capital Kia, we want you to know that you can be confident in your purchase with us. The 2009 Mazda offers compelling fuel efficiency along with great value. You will no longer feel the need to repeatedly fill up this Mazda 3 4Doctor SDN1 Sport's gas tank, in part because of its superb EPA rating. A Mazda with as few miles as this one is a rare find. This Mazda 3 4Doctor SDN1 Sport was gently driven and it shows. This Mazda includes beige, cloth seat trim cargo net, PIO, solid pink, STD, and -6 disc CD MP3 changer, PIO, stormy blue mica air conditioning fog lights. More information about the 2009 Mazda 3. Both of the I and S trims are among the most enjoyable small cars to drive, with goatsy engines, precise manual transmissions and a tight handling feel of more expensive sports sedans. The Mazda 3 features top handling with an interior that's a step above most other small cars with top-notch materials and build quality. And the Mazda Speed 3 model is in a higher performance category altogether. Interesting features of this model are performance, stylish design, nimble handling, and interior quality.